Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, I am Muhammad Abdul Habib. Welcome you all to AIMS tutorial for accounts. In this video, I will be explaining the chapter partnership accounts under Unit 4, Chapter 4 for intermediate second year students for State Board of Telangana. And in this video, I will be explaining the topic profit and loss appropriation account. If you are referring the reader, the page number is 140 and 141. And the topic is profit and loss appropriation account. What do you mean by profit and loss? फायदा, profit मतलब फायदा, loss मतलब नुकसान. There can be either profit or loss. What do you mean by appropriation? Appropriation means distribution, बांटना. So let us discuss profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after ascertainment of net profit or loss through profit and loss account. तो जो net profit अपने को profit and loss account में आता, net profit या net loss आता, net profit या net loss find करने के बाद हम क्या कौन सा account बनाएंगे? Profit and loss appropriation account बनाएंगे. Hence it is an extension of profit and loss account. तो profit and loss appropriation account बनाने से पहले आप क्या मालूम कर रहे हैं? Profit या loss मालूम कर रहे हैं. Net profit या net loss मालूम कर रहे हैं from with the help of profit and loss account. Hence profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account. This account is debited with interest on partners capital. तो partners capital पे जो interest pay करना रहता, it will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Next, salary which is payable to partner will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Commission which is to be paid to partner will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account, or any other remuneration which is to be paid to partner will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account if allowed. Hence it is written as this account is debited with interest on partners capital, salary, commission, remuneration to partners if any, and profit transfer to general reserves. अगर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग, सैलरी, कमीशन, ये पूरे एडजस्टमेंट्स करने के बाद अगर कुछ प्रॉफिट जनरल रिजर्व्स को ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं आप, then even that will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account, and this account is credited with net profit carried from profit and loss account. तो आप जो profit and loss account बना के जो profit मालूम करते हैं, वो net profit यहाँ पे क्रेडिट में लिखेंगे आप by net profit. Then it will be credited with interest on drawings. The balance, if any, after crediting all these items, the balance, if any, will be net profit or loss and will be distributed to partners in their profit sharing ratio. ये सब चीजें डेबिट और क्रेडिट करने के बाद अगर कुछ बैलेंस बचा हुआ है, and if there is profit or loss, it will be distributed among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Now let us prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So the format for profit and loss appropriation account is particulars amount rupees. Towards extreme left you will be writing it as DR debit, and towards extreme right you will be writing it as CR credit, and the name of the format is profit and loss appropriation. Name of the account is profit and loss appropriation account. So what we have learned here, it will be credited with net profit which we have ascertained from profit and loss account. तो profit and loss account में जो net profit आता, सबसे पहले आप वो यहाँ पे क्रेडिट में लिखेंगे by net profit transferred from, यहाँ पे अगर आप लिखना है for understanding you can also write it as transferred from profit and loss account. For example, there is a net profit of rupees 99,000. फिर इसके बाद हम क्या पढ़े? It will be also be credited with interest on drawings. तब interest on drawings आता तब देखेंगे. Next, it will be debited with interest on capital account. हम यहाँ पे क्या पढ़े? This account is debited with interest on partners capital account. So this will be debited with interest on capital. Let us take two partners, Abdul Habib account, Sahab account. The interest on capital payable to Abdul Habib is 10,000 and Sahab is 10,000. So the profit and loss appropriation account will be debited with interest on capital which is 10,000 payable to Abdul Habib account and 10,000 payable to Sahab account. Next, it will be debited with salary. For example, we are paying salary to Abdul Habib. So it will be debited as to salary to Abdul Habib account. We are paying salary of 5,000 rupees. Next, commission payable. We are paying commission to Sahab. Then it will be debited as to commission to Sahab account. We are also paying a commission of 5,000 to Sahab. Next, any other remuneration which is payable to partner will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Next, if allowed, then and profit transferred to general reserves. So after this, it will be credited with interest on drawings. So it will be credited as by interest on drawings. So Abdul Habib is paying an interest of 500 rupees. Similarly, Sahab is paying an interest on drawings of amount 500 rupees. Then it will be credited to profit and loss appropriation account. Then after subtracting all these expenses from the total of credit side, 99,000 plus 1,000, 1 lakh rupees, after subtracting this 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30,000, we are left out with a profit of 70,000. And if you are transferring any amount of profit to general reserves, again it will be recorded on debit side of profit and loss account. We have a profit balance of 70,000. How we got 70,000? 99,000 plus 1,000, it will be 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus 10,000 interest on capital payable to Abdul Habib, 10,000 interest on capital payable to Sahab. Next, salary to Abdul Habib 5,000, salary commission to Sahab 5,000. So 30,000 will be subtracted from 1 lakh. Then we will be left out with a profit of 70,000. And from that 70,000, if we are transferring 10% of profit to general reserves, then it will be written here as to general reserves, to general reserves account. So the profit which is left out is 70,000 and 10% of it is being transferred to general reserves. So 10% of 70,000 will be 7,000. Now you will be balancing it. Here the total is 1 lakh rupees. Whereas here the total is 37,000 rupees. But still you will be writing the highest total on both the sides as 1 lakh and 1 lakh. So 1 lakh will be recorded on debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. 1 lakh will be recorded on credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So the net amount which is left out will be 1 lakh minus 30,000, 70,000, 70,000 minus 7,000, it will be 63,000. So it will be 63,000. So 63,000 is the net profit that will be distributed to Abdul Habib and Sahab. So to profit transfer to Abdul Habib account, Sahab account. For example, if they are equal partners, then this 63,000 will be divided equally among Abdul Habib and Sahab. So half of 60,000 will be 30,000 and half of 3,000 will be 1,500. So Abdul Habib will be getting an amount of 31,500 and Sahab will be getting an amount of 31,500, which will be recorded here. 31,500, 31,500. तो समझ में क्या आया? Profit and loss appropriation account will always be credited with these two items. One is net profit which we have carried from profit and loss account and another one is interest on drawings. Then it will be debited with interest on capital account, salary or commission or any other remuneration which is to be paid to partner, then any amount of profit which we are transferring to general reserve. Then the balance amount which is left out will be, इसीलिए यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है देखिए, the balance if any may be net profit or loss and it will be distributed to partners in their profit sharing ratio. तब ये 1 लाख में से 37,000 जाने के बाद जो पैसे बच रहे 63,000, this is the balance and this will be distributed to partners Abdul Habib and Sahab account in their profit sharing ratio. We have assumed that they are equal partners, so the amount of 63,000 has been divided equally, that is 31,500 to Abdul Habib account and 31,500 to Sahab account. Hope you have understood the topic and hope you have liked the video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel AIMS Tutorial for Accounts. And if you are a new subscriber to my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Do like my video, post your valuable comments and do share it with your friends, relatives and all. Your one share can help someone to learn something. See you all in next video. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.